Hello, everyone. We will turn our attention to programming style and documentation in this video. Programming style deals with what programs look like. A program can compile and run even if the program is written on one line. But writing it all on one line would be bad programming style because it would be difficult to read. Documentation is the body of explanatory remarks and comments pertaining to a program. Programming style and documentation are as important as coding. Good programming style and appropriate documentation reduce the chance of errors and make programs easy to read. This section will give some guidelines on appropriate comments, naming conventions, proper indentation and spacing, and block styles. Appropriate comments include a summary at the beginning of the program to explain what the program does, its key features, its supporting data structures, and any unique techniques it uses. Include your name, class section, instructor, date, and a brief description at the beginning of every exercise you submit in this class. And here is the sample document. So include in this head comment your class, instructor, and description, due date, and sign a pledge. And inside the class, and this is document the main steps in the program, and these are the document and for the methods. Naming conventions. Choose meaningful and descriptive names. The class name, the first letter of each word is capitalized. For example, the name compute expression, there's two words. The first letter of each word is in uppercase. Proper indentation and spacing. Let's show the proper indentation. Inside the class, we have this method is indented 2 spaces. Inside the method, we have the statements that are indented in 2 spaces. A consistent indentation makes programs clear and easy to read. Indentation is used to illustrate the structural relationships between programs' components. So this, we know it is inside the class, there's 2 spaces indented. And this is the inside the method, so there's 2 spaces here. Proper spacing. Use black lines to separate segments of the code. And use some spaces to separate the operators. Let me show you this diagram here. We have this around the operator and 1 space right here, and 1 space before and after. So this is a good style, consistent style, separate operand an operator with one space. And this would be bad. This is too crowded and difficult to read. There are two block styles, and one is called next line. The opening brace is placed at the beginning of the line. And this is the end of line style. The opening brace is placed at the end of the line. And this is the style, end of the line style, and we are going to use in our book. This is consistent with the Java documentation and API source code style. That's all for this video. See you on the next video.